Welcome to 15-minute yoga stretch for shoulders and upper back. You will need a yoga strap for this practice. If you don't have one, you can always use a belt, a scarf or a big towel, something that is not too stretchy. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seat on the mat. You can sit cross-legged. I like to sit on my heels. Find a position where you can sit with a straight spine. Then place your fingertips to your shoulders. With inhale, roll your elbows forward and up. Exhale, back and down, making big shoulder circles. Inhale and exhale. One more. And change direction. A few shoulder circles to another direction. Make them as big as you can. Now interlace your fingers behind your head. With inhale, lift your chest, open your elbows wide. Exhale around the upper back, bring elbows to touch, chin down to chest. Inhale, lift up through the chest, open the elbows, and exhale around. Keep moving with your breath, opening the chest with inhale, rounding with exhale. And bring your spine back to neutral. Place your left hand down on the mat. Reach your right arm up and over the head into side bend. Stretching the right side of the body, the shoulder. Come back to center, switch to the other side. Left arm up and over. And come back to center. Come to your hands and knees. Tabletop position. With inhale, raise your left arm up, look up. Exhale, release the hand back down. Inhale, right arm up, twisting from the upper back. Exhale, hand down to the mat. Keep moving. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, release. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, release. Left arm up, inhale. And as you exhale, thread your arm underneath your right armpit. Lower your left shoulder down, the side of the head down on the mat. And stay here for a few breaths. Breathing into the upper back, into the area between the shoulder blades. Make your way back to hands and knees. Lift your right arm up as you inhale. And exhale, thread the arm underneath left armpit, lower the shoulder, the head. And hold here. Slowly come up to your hands and knees. Walk your hands forward, but keep your hips over the knees. Maybe lower down your chin or forehead for puppy pose. Your hands can stay on the mat. You can also bring the palms together and bring your hands behind the head for a little deeper shoulder stretch. Try to relax your chest more and more towards the ground with each breath. Slowly release this position. Stay on your forearms and just lay down to your belly. Then thread your right arm underneath your left armpit and bring your forehead down to the mat. You can also place your forehead on your hand, give it a little bit of cushion, and relax here. Notice the stretch on your back, somewhere around your shoulder blade. I find that this stretch feels especially good when the shoulders and upper back are sore, like a day or two after upper body workout or after a lot of chaturangas. Slowly come up to your forearms and switch sides. Left arm underneath and breathe. Make your way back up to your forearms and then all the way back to seated position, cross-legged or on your heels. This is where you will need a strap. Grab the strap with both hands and raise your arms overhead. Make sure you have a wide grip, you can always narrow it down later. Slowly bring the arms back and down, and then back up. As you do this move, you should feel the stretch on the front of your shoulders, on the chest. And now you can feel if you need to widen the grip or narrow it down a little more. Don't make it too intense. There shouldn't be any pain or pinching in the shoulders as you do this move. Let's do just one more. Then keep your strap overhead and pull down with your left hand to come into side bend. Stretch the right side of the body a little more. Come back to center and then pull your right hand down, stretching the other side. Come back to center, pull your right hand back and down as you bring your left arm up and back. And then switch side. And release the strap. Reach your right arm up, bend the elbow and place your hand between the shoulder blades. With the opposite hand, gently press the elbow down encouraging your hand to slide down the back. You can always just stay here or bring your left arm behind and try to bind your fingers together. If this is too hard, you can always hold onto your t-shirt or use a strap. Hold the strap with both hands and bring the hands as close together as you can, stretching both shoulders in this pose. Concentrate on your breath, breathing in and out through the nose. This tends to be a very intense pose for many people. Take one more big breath here. And then release your hands. Maybe shake your shoulders out a little before we do the other side. Then when you're ready, raise your left arm up, bend the elbow, hand between the shoulder blades. Press your elbow down. Or maybe bring your right arm behind. Notice how it feels on this side. It's very common that one side is a little more flexible and another one is a little more tight. Stay in here for one more big breath. And then release your hands. Extend your arms in front. Right arm crosses over the left. You have option to place your hands on your shoulders or press the palms together for eagle arms. As you inhale, lift your elbows high, coming into a little back bend. Exhale, round the back, drop chin down to your chest. Inhale, lift the elbows, lift the chest. Exhale, round the upper back. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Come back up. Cross your arms the other way around, left over right. Find your arms variation. Inhale to lift your elbows. Exhale around the back. Two more on your own, just move with your breath. Last time, inhale, big exhale, and come back up to seated. Uncross your arms, maybe give your shoulders a few more circles. I hope your shoulders and upper back feel a little better now after this short practice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!